Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need admin access. Sign in with that account now so you can remove system-level components. Once signed in, close the VPN app and disconnect any active tunnels to avoid locked files. Make sure to record server addresses, usernames, and certificate names if you might reconnect later. You do not need to reboot yet. Instead, open settings to save time and move directly into apps. This starts the removal process and prevents permission errors. Open Settings and go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Locate the VPN client and choose Uninstall. Follow on-screen prompts so leftover services stop. Once uninstalled, go to Network and Internet and select VPN to remove any saved connection profiles and credentials, because profiles can reconnect or block adapter removal. Then open Device Manager and look under Network Adapters for TAP or virtual adapters. Uninstall them. Reboot your PC to let Windows finalize driver and service cleanup. This often clears locked resources and restores networking. If networking or leftover services persist, open msconfig to disable stray startup entries or boot safe mode to remove stubborn drivers and folders. Make sure to check the host's file and Windows firewall rules for VPN entries. If things go wrong, restore a recent system, restore point. It's the quickest way to return network settings without manually reversing every change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.